Spice up your meals. Understanding spice rub. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where learning English is fun and easy. Today, we're going to dive into the world of cooking and explore a phrase that is savory to both your language palate and your taste buds. Spice rub. Whether you're a food lover or just eager to expand your English vocabulary, stick with us as we unfold the flavorful layers of this expression. A spice rub is a blend of ground spices, herbs, and seasonings that is used to flavor meat or vegetables. Think of it as a coat of savory goodness that is rubbed onto food before it's cooked. This technique is used to infuse the food with intense flavor and, in some cases, even to create a delicious crust. The components of a spice rub can vary greatly, from salt and pepper to more exotic spices like cumin or smoked paprika. The term rub in spice rub is quite literal. When you apply a spice rub, you typically use your hands to massage the blend into the food, ensuring that it's evenly distributed. The action is similar to rubbing lotion onto skin, hence the verb to rub became the commonplace term. It's a technique that has been around for centuries and is a staple in many different cuisines around the world. When learning a new phrase, it's always helpful to see it in context. Let's look at how spice rub can be used in a sentence. I prefer a dry spice rub on my ribs rather than a wet marinade. Could you please pass me the spice rub? I want to season the chicken before putting it on the grill. We're going to make our own spice rub with a mix of herbs from the garden. Notice how spice rub can function as both a noun describing the mixture itself, and as a compound verb in the case of rubbing the spices onto the meat. While spice rub is a term you'll often find in cookbooks or cooking shows, it also has a rich cultural heritage. For instance, different regions have their own traditional spice rubs, like the Cajun rub from Louisiana or the jerk spice mix from Jamaica. Learning about these can not only expand your culinary horizons but also give you a taste of the world's diverse cultures. And there you have it, a pinch of knowledge about spice rub to add to your English learning recipe. We hope this video has been enlightening and appetizing. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about the culture and experiences that come with the language. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and as always, keep your language learning flavorful. Until next time, happy learning!